Infants. Definition of an infant differs in various jurisdictions, depending on what the age of majority is in that jurisdiction. Infant is not bound by the contracts he or she enters into except for the purchase of necessaries and for beneficial contracts of service. Infants must pay fair price only for necessary goods and services. Contracts between an adult and an infant. Adults are bound but infants may enters into except for the purchase of necessaries and for beneficial contracts of service. Infants must pay fair price only for necessary goods and services. Contracts between an adult and an infant. Adults are bound but infants may escape contracts at their option, i.e., contract is voidable. Infants may ratify a contract on reaching age of majority. The case of executed contracts. Contracts, when the infant has obtained some benefit under the contract, he/she cannot avoid obligations unless what was obtained was of no value. Should be noted that the British Columbia Infants Act, RSVC 1996 C.223, declares all contracts with infants to be unenforceable, including those for necessities. Upon repudiation of a contract, either party can apply to the court. Court may order restitution, damages, or discharge the contract. Contracts involving the transfer of real estate are considered valid until ruled otherwise. Age of legal capacity is a legislatively or court-ordained time when a legal person or legal entity acquires the ability to exercise rights. This age often varies by jurisdiction and the particular rights involved. Right to vote in the United States is currently set at 18 years, while the right to buy and consume alcohol is often set at 21 years by state law. Some laws, such as marriage laws, may differentiate between sexes and allow women to marry younger. There are instances in which a person may be able to gain capacity earlier than the prescribed time through a process of emancipation. Insane. Insane. Persons claiming insanity must show that they did not understand what they were doing.